Why does the Honda Shadow VT1100 feel so weak in stock condition? Well, because the factory decided to make a bike with significant displacement, absolutely ripe for awesome performance, and then neuter it with a bunch of so your bike sounds like a naked mole rat queefing in a manila envelope and has the responsiveness and power of the motorized grocery carts. But you are not alone, and this is fixable. In fact, it took buying this silly bike 3 times to figure out there's so much more potential on the other side of some very affordable and easy to do performance upgrades. And it all comes in one kit. So in this video, I'm gonna introduce you to what this kit is, what it does, what kind of rider this kit is for, what's included, and where you can get one for most of the Honda Shadow models out there. Now, I've been adopting lost bikes for over 20 years. I've designed hundreds of aftermarket parts for motorcycles, and this bike was a royal pain in the ass. So much so that I bought it and sold it, and then bought 2 more once I figured it out. Now, it's taken me nearly 5 years and 3 Honda Shadow 1100s to get this dialed in, but I can confidently say, holy this kit takes this bike to the next level, and many others have had the same experience. Austin said, "It exceeded my expectations. Now I get consistent acceleration all the way up to 110 miles an hour." Garrett said, "This kit is fantastic. It really woke this bike up. It is a whole new bike." And if you don't like Austin or Garrett, wonderful. Click the like button on this video.
Do it. Do it now!
It lets me know if I'm making content you are finding helpful or if I'm wasting my time. And as a way of saying thank you, I'll stop talking about the boring stuff. What this kit is. Now, before I get started, I want to give you a little bit of a trigger warning here. This is a video that features a performance kit that I designed, so if at times this sounds like I'm tooting my own horn on my own, that's because I absolutely am. Zero shame. Shameless self-promotion is a good thing. If you can't be stoked on something you're proud of, why would you expect anyone else to be? I don't make anything I'm not excessively proud of and excited to ride myself, and this kit is no exception. So what is this kit? This is a 100% bolt-on performance kit for your VT1100, meaning you do not have to crack open your engine to get some more ponies out of that little scooter. Now remember, Honda gave you 1100 cc's to play with. You've just been a little castrated by Honda in accessing the true potential of your God-given dong displacement. But why? Honda limited the performance of the bike because they wanted to prevent thousands of boners from just popping up all over American highways and byways. Obviously. They figured if they offer the most reliable, sensible, leak-free alternative to Harley possible, this will be the perfect birth control. So they gave it training wheels, some knee pads, and a Snoopy print child leash, basically. Lots of displacement for advertising's sake, but then they kind of took away all that power of a throbbing long wanker of an engine by detuning it.
You suck.
What does it do? Well, now it's time to discuss what this kit actually does and who it's for. Max Performance Kit allows your bike to breathe deeply, and thus it performs way better. Now imagine that your bike in stock configuration has a stuffy nose, right? It's basically a total
mouth breather.
It's sluggish, it's got halitosis, that would choke a freaking vulture, it's kind of revolting, it's gross. Now when you install one of these kits, you are opening up your bike's ability to breathe. It can move the atomized air-fuel mixture through the engine much more efficiently. That's like some really good fisherman's friend cough drops to clear that congestion up. Seriously, Ricola ain't got on this kit. Oh, are you a team fisherman's friend or Ricola kind of person? Tell me in the comments. Now this kit helps achieve the optimal volumetric efficiency for a naturally aspirated engine. How does it do that? Space age whiz-bang magic. That is how. Little smoke and mirrors and a push-up bra don't hurt either. By optimizing the airflow, first with a velocity stack, this helps the bike achieve significantly better volumetric efficiency by smoothing airflow, reducing the turbulence in the venturi to increase the mass and speed of air entering the engine. I'm gonna show you how a velocity stack uses air to add power to your bike. I got some tools to help me. All right, this represents air, and this ring here is gonna be a velocity stack, all right? Now, the velocity stack takes all the air super deep and fast, and it keeps it smooth. Real smooth. Now all this hot action leads to a lot more power and torque, and maybe pregnancy if you're lucky. Now, what's the golden rule of upgrading your bike? Anytime you change intake or exhaust, you must tune. I've probably said that a million times over the last 20 years. Now, this kit actually includes a complete performance rebuild kit within it. We include such a robust kit for a very good reason. We don't just throw a few jets in there and all jack off motion and call it a day, because I can almost guarantee you if you go to pull those carbs apart and try to reassemble with the old crusty gaskets and diaphragms, you will have leaks, both fuel and air. So this kit sets you up for success with new gaskets, hardware, jets, and complete slide diaphragms to give you the best chance at a hiccup-free tuning process that doesn't end in screaming and taking the Lord's name in vain. Now at the ass end of this magic mating ritual of raw primal power is the open exhaust design with a specific diameter which allows the engine to evacuate exhaust gases smoothly and efficiently as possible. Now imagine how easily you could fart if you didn't have to close the back door after every fart. There'd be no resistance. Your farts would just whip out of there like bees from a hive. So who is this kit for? Well, I assure you it's not for sissy lalas. I'm just kidding. But this kit is definitely not rated E for everyone. For the rider that wants a quiet, gentle, stealth bike and doesn't want to wake up the babies when you pull into the garage, you may want to keep your setup stock. With this kit, however, you are going to get a decent rumble out of that bike and a generous increase in power. So if you're looking for a little more out of your VT1100, this is the kit for you. So what's in the box?
Is my in a box?
Bet you thought I was going to reference that sex pot Brad Pitt line from the movie Seven. Gotcha. All right. Now these bad usually ship in less than 2 business days in a box and come with everything you need for max performance, short of forced induction. But who the hell is doing that these bikes anyways? I honestly don't even know. I mean, should we try and turbocharge a Honda Shadow, see what happens? Let me know in the comments. I'll be honest, just thinking about turbocharging a carbureted bike with like 4 to 5 PSI oil pressure idle sounds like a pain in the oh. Anyways, this is not a stage 1 or 2 upgrade, sneezing out 0.4 more ponies, and I'll actually be releasing a dyno chart for you guys soon to prove it. Now in that fine cardboard box made from dead trees and spit, you're gonna get the sucker, the ticklers, and the blowers. Now for all you non-gearheads out there, that's the Velocity Stacks, tuning kit, and exhaust. Now as for the Velocity Stacks, there are 2, because the 1100 is dual carbureted. So it has 2 holes, which equals more fun. It's actually race. Now I designed these stacks specifically for the 1100 intake in lightweight, natural aluminum, and no, they don't come in 97 different finishes because they're invisible on the 1100, and that's due to the ridiculous backbone on these bikes. So they do include a custom filtration screen that keeps out even the breath of a little baby, so your carb is kept safe from foreign objects, and this prevents the need for frequent rebuilding and cleaning. Now the tuning components themselves took a minute or 70,000 to figure out for the different exhaust configurations, as well as potential differences in elevation that many riders may be using this bike at. And yes, elevation is an important factor in tuning. Why? Well, it's because higher elevation means less oxygen. Lower elevation means more oxygen. And you will need less fuel at a higher elevation than you would at sea level. So this kit does account for that. So how did I figure this out? Well, after dancing around the bike for years, smeared in ash and feathers, and offering a lamb sacrifice to it under every full moon, I finally figured out the optimal kit. And you get to benefit from that without the mess of animal sacrifices. Now, how good were the results? Subscribe if you want to see this bike race against the stock configuration and see the dyno readings for yourself. Now for the exhaust. The kit currently offers 2 options of exhaust designs in 2 gorgeous finishes. The famous backdrafts in both dump out and straight cut offer neither chrome or satin black Cerakote, and all mounting hardware is included. Now these pipes sound incredible. Just listen. Now, by the time you're watching this video, there are likely several more options available in stainless steel, so check out the link in the description to see what's available now. This kit also includes these very, very small rings. These are brand new gas to solid separator O-rings, so you don't get any leaks and ruin that first date since the Cold War with an untimely stain. Whoops, my bad. So where can you get one for most of the Honda Shadows out there? Well, just go to tjbrutalcustoms.com, or you can click the links in the description to see the different kits for many other models. Will leaving your bike stock do any damage? Not really. But here's the problem. The stock bike is very much so detuned, meaning it's running pretty lean, and you're not getting out of that bike what it can offer. Pretty much neutered. Now, as a well-tuned engine, it should move air and fuel efficiently, creating the most amount of horsepower and torque while using the air and fuel efficiently, creating a complete burn of the air and fuel emulsion. Not too rich, not too lean. Your stock bike is just running a bit lean. It's not the end of the world, but why wouldn't you want to unlock a little more fun at the throttle? Essentially, these bikes leave a ton on the table, and the Brutal Max Performance Kit is, hands down, the fastest, most affordable way to get the most out of the VT1100s. All in one package. Now, if you want to see the souped up Shadows take on some Harleys out in the desert, subscribe.